Good day, folks. Sean here from Air Photography. So today we're just going to be unboxing the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the black titanium version, 1 terabyte. And yeah, so we're just going to do a quick unboxing. I usually unbox new iPhones every year when I get them, when I upgrade. Last year I skipped. I didn't get the iPhone 15. So this year I'm getting quite an upgrade because I'm getting all the features of the iPhone 15 plus everything new with the 16. So let's just go ahead and we'll get right into it. Now there's not a huge difference going from the 15 to the 16. We get the new A18 Pro. It's got a larger display, slightly larger display, a nice new camera system, 48 megapixels, and we can record 4K at 120 frames per second, which is going to be nice. One of the big new hardware changes this year is that we have that dedicated camera button on the side, which will be interesting. So there we go there. Doesn't look much different than previous models. So on the side there, we got our action button, volume up and volume down, SIM card tray. They still have SIM card trays here in Canada. Go to the other side, we have our power button, and there's the new dedicated camera button. And that can also be used for third-party applications and Apple Visual Intelligence once that's fully launched. To set that aside for a second, here is the braided charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, SIM tool there in the middle. Because I got the black phone, it would have been nice if they included a black cable. With my iPad Pro that I got this year, they included a black braided cable, but they're still doing white with the iPhones. Then we get some documentation here. No Apple stickers, unfortunately. They used to include them, but not anymore. So let's go ahead, we'll pull the protective peel off. Now before we get too far, I am going to put it in a case. I went with the black silicone case from Apple. And I am going to put this screen protector on. I always use Spigen. I really like them. They have a nice applicator. But I'm going to do that at a different time, not in this video here. I really like these silicone cases from Apple. They just feel good. They offer a decent amount of protection. And it's going to be important now if you are going to be getting a case for your phone, your iPhone 16. You got to make sure it has that coating so that everything can be transferred. All the gestures that you can do on that. So we'll go ahead and we'll pop that in and then we'll power it on. There we go. So let's go ahead. I'm going to power it on here quick. And I'm just going to set it up as a new phone. I do have to transfer everything from my iPhone 14, but there's a lot there. It'll probably take an hour. So just for the sake of this video, I'm going to just set it up as a new phone quickly. I just want to check out that new camera button. We'll swipe up, select English, Canada. Set up. We'll go to our Wi-Fi. I can never remember my Wi-Fi password, so I have to look that up quickly. So we got that entered in, so let's join the network. So right now it's activating the phone on the Apple network. And I'm not going to bother setting up Face ID right now because I'm just going to be resetting it anyways. And I'm not going to use a passcode. And I'm going to select Don't Transfer Anything. Now I will sign in with my Apple account. We get a notification that we're signing into a new device. Now here it's asking us to customize the action button. Leave it on silent mode. We can put it into focus mode, launch the camera, flashlight, voice memo, Shazam, translate, and magnifier. So I think for now I'm going to leave mine on silent. Welcome to iPhone. So there we go. So that's all set up. Now the feature I'm really excited about having on the 16, the iPhone 16, is the new dedicated camera button. I use my iPhone quite a bit for photography and videos, and just having a dedicated button to quickly launch the camera and change settings. And that works well whether you're taking a selfie holding it with this. It's right where your thumb is, so you can easily take a photo. Or if you're holding it more in a landscape format, again, it's right where your fingers would be naturally. So really, really nice. And what's really nice is you can just press the button and you're going to go right into the camera. You can press on it again to take the photo. When you're in camera mode, you can press and hold, and you can see it goes right into recording until you let go. but it also recognizes half presses. So if I do a gentle press on it, you can see we get that tool that pops up. We can scroll through the different lenses. If we do a double soft press on it, that allows us to change the tool. You can see we can go from tone to styles, cameras, zoom, depth, and exposure. So that's really nice, and that custom camera button will be able to support third-party apps, and it's also going to be used for Apple Visual Intelligence coming soon. Now, because I skipped the iPhone 15, what's new for me this year is USB-C. They introduced that last year, but this will be my first iPhone with USB-C. Going to be super nice. I can finally get rid of my lightning cable. And for me, what else is new is the action button. With the iPhone 14, it still had a physical toggle switch, which I think I do kind of prefer for silencing the phone. But that action button is kind of nice because you can customize it to different tasks. So now if I want to silence the phone, press and hold, you can see it will silence it. Press and hold again, and it'll turn the ringer back on. So yeah, that is the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. This again is the black titanium version. They have 4 different colors, and it's the 1 terabyte model. I use my phone for recording quite a few of my YouTube videos, so it's important that I have lots of storage because sometimes, I get a lot of videos built up on there. Just a quick and simple unboxing. Thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It's always greatly appreciated, and we'll see you in the next one.